Alright, welcome back everybody. We're out here at East Bethel again, and we're looking at another third gen Caravan. This is a 96 Dodge Grand Caravan. It is a first year third gen, and it is PGA green. It's also handicap van. Entravan Braun Corporation. This is an SE, so it's a Grand Caravan SE. First thing I see, it's not very rusty. Not too bad anyway, I've seen worse. Bottom of the fender's starting to get it. All of their add-on work is getting it. Obviously, I don't think these vans are ever coated properly, you know what I mean? I always see them rot out. But the door isn't too bad. It's got this aftermarket trim here. I don't know if I like that. So, well, it's got power windows, locks, probably power mirrors based on that. I don't know. Cluster's gone out of it. Silver fern interior. Headliner is short. Does have the overhead console, but no trip computer. That is aftermarket right there. That's kind of cool. It's got wood grain on it. Here's their switches here. Did have dual zone, tri-zone climate control. Let's get up in here. They didn't put the miles on it. Bruh. 6/2/2023, so been off the road a year probably. There's some plates down there from 2020. And a chocolate bar. Or was a chocolate bar, as you can see it's disintegrated. What else we got going on here? Papers. What do we got down here? Personal signature card. There's a social security number. You know that's always good. And a name. Nope, not going to show that. Discount tire stuff in here. Oh. Is this? Oh, this is the gas pedal. Oh, that's kind of cool. Look at that. That's cool. Oh, the light key and the regular key. Oh, let's see what else we got going on here. Got the fancy light sun visors. I like this. This is kind of cool. Oh, let's pop around here. Yeah, see, the door's not too rusty at all. Yeah, not bad at all. How about this one? Oh, peeling paint. Yeah, this door's not too bad at all. Except for they, is that a weld on or is that bolted on? I think they welded those on, unfortunately. But this door, look at that. That would have been a really nice door. Oh, that's sticky. Yeah, see? Yeah, they welded it on here and then added this panel over it. Only welded in a few spots. There's the rear bench. There's the ramp right there. It's got KYBs on it. Oh, I suppose they had to move the fuel tank. So that's their solution there for rerouting the fuel tank. Kind of just taking in how they did this. Yeah, so it's like a fuel cell. Look at that. I'm curious how accurate the fuel gauge was with that. You know what I mean? I don't know what they did to account for that or anything. But not too rusty. I don't think that one's any good. Here's the rear heater core. I suppose it's got a rear heater core, so they rerouted all that stuff too. That's kind of funny. A lot went into that, I suppose. Redid the exhaust down there. How's this rocker? A little rusty underneath. Not bad from what I can tell. Well, yeah, it is. You can see it right here poking through. But they've got this whole plate over it. Which you take this, cut it off here. You could use that yourself, to be honest. Paint matches pretty good too. Passenger door looks good, besides the dent and scrape and side swipe going all down it. Yeah, it's rusty. All of their work is really rusty. It's got, oh, that's atrocious. Black door handles and everything. Nothing in the glove box. Looks like it must have had a window motor at some point. That's the back cover for one. Pop up under that hood, shall we? I do believe that fender is not good. There's a transmission or something. It does have the 3.3 liter V6 and a 4.1 TE under the hood. That shock tower is about to, it's got a little hole in it. This shock tower looks good. What do you think this is right here? What's that? Screwed into it. One little crack on this guy, not too bad. This has got the older style fuel rail that has been repaired per the recall. Mopar plug wires on it. It's had a thermostat done, or at least an upper rad hose, so it's coolant service. Alternator's original. Belt looks pretty old. I don't see anything sticks out super all that much. Ooh, brown. Ooh. Uh-oh. Me think something wrong there. Possibly. Hard to say. Needs an oil pan gasket. And probably a trans pan gasket. Looks like this one leaked fluid pretty, sufficiently. Somebody's borrowed the brakes on it. That bearing is shot, I can feel it. Can't feel wobble, but you can feel the grindiness to it. Tire rod's okay. Sway bar links have been replaced with these really thin guys right there. Oh, New York State Safety Inspection 2016. Oh, New York vehicle. That's kind of cool. You don't get those stickers up here. Very cool. It's got something funny with the brakes too. So how does this work? Are the brakes operated by it too? How does... I don't know. Oh, you push. So push for brake, turn for gas. I suppose that takes some skill to do. That's kind of cool. Well, I think that is going to do it for this third gen as well. Nothing here that I really need. So, once again, thank you guys for watching here, and I'll see you next time. Oh, we didn't look at the hatch. Gotta look at the hatch, guys. Oh, that's tight. Come on, down you go. Dodge Grand Caravan. Hatch is in pretty good shape. Wiper grommet's gone. Hatch is in really good shape, actually. How's the rust on the lip? No, it's there. I've seen worse, but it's there. Oh, here's their wiring for the whole liftgate thing. A wheelchair ramp. Well, that's kind of crazy. Super cool stuff.